Hey everyone, before I start the video, I want to make a small announcement. I will upload videos for NCERT Class 10, IIT-JEE and IIT-JAM. So let's start with exercise 4.1 Class 10. Let's start with the first question. Here we need to check whether the given equations are quadratic equations or not. So the first one is x plus 1 its square is equal to 2 times x minus 3. Now let's simplify this. So from here we have x square plus 2x plus 1, right, and from here we have this is 2x minus 6. So this gives us, now we can cancel this 2x and this gives x square plus 1. Now transfer this 6 here. So this is equal to 0. That means we have x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Now this equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to 7, right. That means this equation is a quadratic equation, right. Let's solve the next question. 2x minus 1 times x minus 3 is equal to x plus 5 times x minus 1. Is this a quadratic equation? So let's simplify this. So we have 2x times this x, which is 2x square. 2x times minus 3 is minus 6x. This minus 1 times x is minus x. Minus 1 times this minus 3 is plus 3. And on the RHS we have x times x, x square minus x plus 5x and then lastly minus 5. Now this gives us 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to x square plus 4x minus 5, right. Now you transfer all these terms here. So we have 2x square minus this x square, right, then minus 7x. From here we have this minus 4x and this 3, this minus 5 becomes plus 5 is equal to 0, and hence we have x square minus 11x plus 8 is equal to 0, right. So this equation is in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 1, which is not 0, right, and therefore this is a quadratic equation. Now let's solve the next question, which is x plus 2 its cube is equal to 2x times x square minus 1. Is this a quadratic equation? So let's simplify this left hand side. So we have x cube plus, now I am using the formula a plus b its cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, right. So we have x cube plus 3 times x square times 2 plus 3x times 2 square plus 2 cube is 8, and that is equal to 2x times x square, that is 2x cube, and this minus 1, so it is minus 2x. So this gives us x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 is equal to 2x cube minus 2x, right. Now we can write this as x cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8, then minus 2x cube plus 2x is equal to 0, right, and this gives us minus x cube plus 6x square plus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now here we have this term minus x cube, right, and we know that for quadratic equation we must have ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right. That means with this a not 0. So we have the power of x as 2, right. The highest power of this equation must be 2, but here we have this 3, right. So this is not a quadratic equation. Now the next question is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 the whole cube. Now let's simplify the RHS. So RHS is just x cube. I am using this formula a minus b its cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So this is x cube minus 3x square times 2 plus 3x times 2 square minus 2 cube is 8, right. So this is just x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. So the next step is we can cancel this x cube, right. So we have minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to, this is minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8. Now we can transfer all these terms here. So we have 6x square minus 4x square minus 12x minus x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 0, right. So this gives us 2x square minus 13x plus 9 is equal to 0. So it is in the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to 2, which is not 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Question number 2, represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. That means for these given problems we have to write them in quadratic equations. So let's see the first question. The area of a rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of the plot in meters is 1 more than twice its breadth, and we need to find the length and the breadth of the plot. So let's focus on the information that is given in the question. So in this problem we have given a rectangular plot. So let's draw a rectangle, and now the next information is about the length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. So let's x be the breadth of the rectangle. That means this is our x, and length of the plot is 1 more than twice its breadth. So twice the breadth means 2x, and 1 more means we just have to add 1. So length is 2x plus 1 and breadth is x. That means the area of this rectangular plot is equal to length into breadth, right. So this gives us, now here the area is 528 meters square, which is equal to length is 2x plus 1 times the breadth, which is x, right. So this gives us 528 is equal to, just simplify this, 2x square plus x, right. And so we have 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation. The next question is, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306, and we need to find the integers. So we have to find quadratic equation for this problem. So here two consecutive positive integers means, suppose we take integer x. So the next positive integer is clearly x plus 1, right. So x and x plus 1 are two consecutive positive integers, and we have given that the product of these integers is 306, right. So just take the product of these two. So we have x into x plus 1 is 306, right. So this gives us x square plus x is equal to 306. That means this is just x square plus x minus 306 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation for this problem. The next question is, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So for this question we need to find the quadratic equation. So let's take Rohan's age as x. Now the next information is about Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So Rohan's mother's age is x plus 26, right? And the product of their ages 3 years from now, that means after 3 years, right? So we just need to add 3. So we have x plus 3 and just take the product of them times this x plus 26 and we need to add 3. So this is done and this product is 360. So equal to 360. Now just simplify this. So we have x plus 3 times x plus 29 is equal to 360, and so we have x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 3 into 29 is equal to 360, right? Therefore we have x square plus 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0, and this gives us x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. Let's solve the next question. A train travels at a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So to find a quadratic equation corresponding to this problem, we need to take speed of the train as some variable. So take x as the speed of the train. Now in the question we have given that distance, right? So we need to use an important formula, which is speed is equal to distance upon time, and by using this formula we have x is equal to, now what is the distance? It is 480 km divided by time. So time is not given, so let's take t as the time. So we have x is equal to 480 divided by t, right? Now the next thing is the speed had been 8 km per hour less. That means we have to subtract 8 from the speed. So we have x minus 8 and the distance remains the same, right? So this distance is as it is, which is 480. Now what about time? 3 hours more, right? That means we have to add 3, this 3, so t plus 3. Now we want the equation in terms of x, right? Speed of the train. So let's rewrite this equation. So this gives us t plus 3 is equal to 480 divided by x minus 8, right? So we have these two equations. So from here we can write t is equal to 480 divided by x, right? And from here we can write t is equal to 480 divided by x minus 8 minus 3, right? Now on LHS we have t, so RHS must be same. So just equate them, we get 480 divided by x is equal to 480 divided by x minus 8 minus 3, right? And we just need to solve this. So we have 480 divided by x is equal to 480 minus 3 times x minus 8 divided by x minus 8, right? So just do cross multiplication. So x minus 8, 480 minus, this is 3x plus 24 times x, right? And this gives us 480x minus 480 times 8 is equal to 480 x minus 3x square plus 24x, right? So we can cancel this and take this here. So it is 3x square minus 24x minus 8 times 480 is equal to 0, right? So just divide it by 3 throughout this equation. So we get x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation. I hope you find this useful. Thank you for watching.